Well, good morning, everybody. We are here with Brandon Bushaw of Island Bar. I am Bree Bender with BRG and our Live Local project. And part of our project is to make sure that we, as a local small business, also support other local small businesses. And Brandon and Cynthia are the owners of Island Bar in Surfside, and they have some amazing food. They have great entertainment. And I wanted to give a shout out to them and have them on here today so that we can encourage anybody that hasn't tried Island Bar before to reach out to them and try them during this time. And Brandon, why don't you tell us a little bit about you and Cynthia, how you guys got started and what Island Bar means to you?
Well, we opened the bar in 2004, kind of on a whim. We were 23 and 22 years old, so it was kind of a, what do we have to lose type of deal. So we didn't really expect it to take off. Of course, back then I had graduated from Michigan State. I had my degree in advertising. We moved down, and there wasn't really much social media marketing or anything when we opened. So it was kind of like turn the lights on and pray a little bit, especially with limited budget.
Yeah.
But after a while, we started building our local clientele, and it kind of started becoming like a family type thing. And here we are almost 16 years later and still trucking.
That's awesome. What's your favorite thing about owning Island Bar?
Honestly, it's become like an extension of my family. We have birthday parties for the kids or any holiday, like Easter's coming up, and our regulars are bringing in, Easter baskets for our kids to bring home. And so it's so much more than just like a bar or a restaurant. It really is. I feel like every weekend it's sort of a gathering of our closest friends and family, and it makes it feel really special.
Yeah, that's awesome. I know we had our Christmas party there. Was it 2 years ago now?
Yeah,
3 years ago?
I think at least two, yeah.
Yeah, that was before you guys did all the renovations, and I can't wait to get in and see what it looks like. I saw the pictures of the new floors the other day.
Yeah, we did the floors, the walls, painted everything, redid the bathrooms completely, trying to keep our hands busy while we're going through this modified shutdown.
And you always have a new special every day, which, by the way, you guys inspired me the other day. You had a picture, Cynthia put a picture of your nachos on there.
Yeah, right.
And I'm like, I'm making nachos for dinner. So that's what happened. Because
trying
of
to
you
work
guys.
on that quarantine 15-pound weight gain, trying to fight that.
Right? I'm too far away to get you guys to deliver, unless you want to deliver in Florida right now.
Yeah, we'll have to FedEx that one overnight.
So tell everybody how they can get a hold of you guys, how they can order while we're all still a little bit stay at home nowadays.
Yeah, well, for now, until they lift the restrictions, we're open Monday every day, 11 to 8 p.m. And you can call in orders to 843-650-3157. And part of the deal with our POS system, Toast, is they added online ordering for us for free during this to help out. And it really has kind of skyrocketed a lot. It makes it very easy for people to go to our website, islandbarss.com, and click online ordering, and you can go through our entire menu, order, and pay right there, just kind of like the big chain restaurants have. So that's been a really neat feature we've been dealing with the last month or so.
That's awesome. Do you guys just have pickup, or do you do delivery as well?
We do. We have two people front of house every day. So in the small little area around us, we've been running deliveries. We haven't been overly promoting it, just in case it got a little too much. But we've been shooting delivery orders, a few every day.
Okay, so right there in local Surfside area.
Yeah, right around. Within a few miles.
Okay, great.
Unless you're my sister wants us to deliver out to River Road, but
good old Julianne.
You gotta love her.
All right, everybody. Well, that is a little bit from Brandon at Island Bar. We're going to make sure that the link to the website in the comments and in the write-up for the information on the restaurant, and make sure you go give them some love on Facebook. It's Island Bar. Is it Island Bar SS on Facebook?
It's Island Bar Surfside on Facebook.
Surfside. Okay.
Yeah.
And then for those of you who are frequent of the bar or just want to become better friends with them, they just started their Facebook group, and your Facebook group is Friends of Island Bar and Grill?
Yep, Friends of Island Bar Surfside.
Okay.
And that's where we announce everything. We do beer dinners or any sort of special events. We always announce it a few days first to our friends of Island Bar, so they have the first shot at everything.
Awesome. So I'll put all the links in the post so everybody knows how to get to you guys. And thank you so much for joining us today. I hope we can do our part in making sure you as a small business are taken care of during this time and after. All right. Thanks,
Thank you,
Brandon.
Bree. Enjoy Florida.
Thanks. Bye.
Take care.